All right, now we're going to look at relative positioning. And relative positioning will position an element relative to where it started out at. So here, I'm going to select our H1 element right here. And we're going to set the position to relative. And now when I save this and I refresh my page, that didn't move at all because it is relative to where it normally is on the page. That's what the relative positioning does. So I need to give this a top or bottom and left or right value so that it can change where it is relative to its normal location. So if I say I want it to move top 50 pixels just to go to an extreme, and then right 50 pixels. Then when I save this and refresh the page here, I can see it has moved 50 pixels from the top and 50 pixels from the right of where it normally would be. If I had said 50 pixels from the left of where it normally would be, that'll move it kind of over to the right. And obviously we don't want this in this location. That doesn't look good. You can also use negative values here. So I could use negative 50 from the top and negative 50 from the left. So then what that's going to do is move that up and further to the left. So when I refresh this, it moves it out over here. And that's not really where I need that. So I'm going to just move this, say, 10 pixels from the top and 15 pixels from the left of where it normally is. So when I refresh this, we can see this is where that's at. Now, real quick, if I hide these or comment out those styles, we can see where that is in its normal flow. And then uncommenting these, we can see where that moves it to. So you can kind of see it moved it down 10 pixels and over 15. So you kind of have an idea of how that relative positioning works.